Do you want to get your TikTok business account verified? Here's what you need to do, and it'll only take you a couple minutes. First, go to TikTok Ads Manager and sign in your account. Next, hover your cursor or click on Tools. There you will see Account Settings and click on it. Below My Account and Account Details, you will see Business Verification. Click on View Verification Info to get started. From here, make sure all your business information are correct. Input your country or region, and also don't forget your company website if you haven't put one yet. Even though it is optional, it is very efficient in creating a business. Then scroll down and you will see Proof of Identity. Choose what you can upload between Certificate of Registration or Incorporation, Business License, and Articles of Association. After that, enter the certificate number. Make sure the number is the same as the one on the document you upload. And if you have additional documents to upload, you're free to do so. After that, click Edit Information below to make sure each information is correct. Then click Submit. And that's pretty much it. Those are the main steps to help verify your TikTok business account. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.